Hey, how you are doing today? So today the video is about split screen option, split screen feature in M20. So let's go to the video. So in order to do a split screen action, what you have to do is you have to click the minimize button, and you can see the equal to button in every app of the title bar. So you can press the split option on the app that you want to split. So I am clicking settings to split. So the first app that you touch will go to the top end, and the next app will come to the bottom end. So I want calculator at the bottom, so I click calculator. So you can work on two apps simultaneously. Like I can do a calculation in the calculator as well as I can toggle in the other screen. So in order to bring the top app to full screen view, what you have to do is you have a split in the middle. So what you have to do is you have to just pull down. So this will make the top app come to full screen view. So this comes. So the same way you can do the bottom app to come to the full view. Let's do that. Characters here. So I will let you know about these shortcuts. So, bring the center up, and the calculator will come to full screen. So you can see three different menus that comes when I hit on the middle icon. So this is the toggle. The first icon is toggling the top and bottom. What happens when I hit this icon is like the calculator will come down and the bottom will go up. See? Let me do it again. So when I click this icon, the first icon, what it does is it will bring the bottom app to the top and the top app to the bottom. That's it. So in order to view that icons again, just click in the middle, you will get. So the middle app is nothing but it will make one app bigger and other app to float. Let me do it. See, the calculator is now in the full screen view, and the settings page is now in the floating view. You can float this app anywhere, or you can make it as an icon. So when you click, there are the other three options that is available in the floating app. The first app will make the app to come as an icon. So you can have it is anywhere in the screen. If you press it, open. So the next app will maximize to the full screen view. So that's it, friend. The third one will close the split screen option and will bring the top app to the full view. Hope you all liked the video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.